What's up, guys? Welcome back to another electric skateboard video. Today we are actually doing something a little bit different. We are not, so much talking about electric skateboards today, but how, if you were to place an order through a website, how your parts would go from point A here in a warehouse all the way to point B, your front door. So the parts, go through a lot of different steps as far as getting packed and checked and delivered to you. So we wanted to kind of show you guys around the warehouse and how all of our parts, again, go from our warehouse, through our warehouse, and to your front door. So originally, we start out here, our video set. So this is how you guys probably found us, how you guys figured out we were a thing at all. From there, you might check out our website and place an order. So the video is where it all starts. This is where we meet our customers, where we meet you guys, and how we share our free information with you guys. So from there, we'll go from our warehouse. So the order comes in, and there's a few things that happen prior to you actually getting them. Okay, so before any orders even come in, there's a few things that we do have to do around the warehouse in preparation for an order to come in. So the first thing we have to do is make sure that all of our stock is nicely packaged and stocked in the shelves properly. So for instance, like the entire right side is all different connectors, cables, stuff like that. On the left side here is a whole bunch of different skate supplies like skate hardware, bearings, nose guards, riser pads, etc., stuff like that. We have a whole bunch of different hardware and different screws and stuff here. And then like all down here, we have different like wheels, trucks, and they're all categorized differently. But we have to make sure that's all stocked and everything needs to be right where it goes. So that way when an order does come in, we're able to find it. We're able to calculate how many items we have left so we can mark them out of stock, stuff like that. And so we have to make sure we're all organized, all good. We actually just reorganized, so like I barely know where anything is. I'm always walking to the old place it used to be, but we've completely reorganized, so it's a little bit more efficient. My muscle memory is just, not there. Mark, who ships most of the stuff, knows exactly where everything is, but I have a little bit of trouble now that we moved everything. But again, we're all super organized, so that way when an order comes in, we're able to pack it right away and get it shipped out as soon as possible. Okay, so finally we get an order and everything's all good. Everything's ready to go, but we have to figure out what they ordered. So we'll come in here and we'll talk to Maddie. Maddie kind of figures out what's been ordered and prints all our orders out. We do work with our dogs, so all of our dogs are here. They are the complaint department. Anyone who has any beef with us can talk to them. So we'll come over here. Maddie's kind of keeps an eye on everything, figures out what's going on, and she'll print our most recent orders, and then we'll send those orders out to Mark in the warehouse. So now that we have the order, we know exactly what they ordered. Now I got to pass this off to Mark in the warehouse and make sure it gets fulfilled. It looks like Mark needs something to do. So actually, Mark, you're doing messages? Yeah. Okay, so Mark's answering all of our customer support emails. So if anyone has a problem, has a question, anything like that, you're pretty much talking to him. Unless something goes crazy, then you'll be talking to me. But so here's this order. All right. That needs to get packed. And then actually that item does need to be independently tested. So most of our products, if not all of them, are all quality controlled or quality checked at the factories originally. But a lot of the times we need to quality test them or quality control or quality check, whatever you want to call it, here again independently for a second time, just to be sure that the factory didn't miss anything and that we're sending you guys the stuff that works the first time. So I'll be working on that. I'll quality control everything, make sure everything looks good, and then I will make sure Mark can take it to actually fulfill it.
All right, so once I get this order, usually everything is already on the shelves waiting for me. But sometimes if it's, say, this order's a Fock box, if there's not any more left and Mike has to go test more, then I will give this to Mike and then he will go test more and then put them in their proper place. So right now there are some, so I'll go grab that right now. So this is the Fock box right here. So once I grab the item on the packing sheet, I will grab all the packing supplies I need to fulfill that item. So with the Fock box, I usually double bag them. So I will grab one small padded envelope and then one large padded envelope. And then I will come over here and put the item in the first envelope. And then I usually write the order number on the bigger envelope. So when I give it to Maddie to get the shipping label, she'll know what order it is to input all the shipping information. And then once that is done, I fold the order form up like this. And then I grab an MBoards sticker to put with the order, and then put the sticker in like that. Put this one in the smaller envelope, seal the smaller envelope, and then put the smaller envelope into the larger one. And then with the Fox boxes, we do have serial numbers for all of them, for like warranty and stuff. So I will put the serial number on with the order number, so then Maddie can also input the serial number into our system. And then this one gets sealed up. And that is it. So I will go hand this off to Maddie, and then she will print the shipping label, and that'll be it.
Okay, so I create the shipping labels for every order. So first I find the order number, I type it in, I enter the package size and weight into the system, and then I buy and print the label and send it off to be sent out.
Okay, so now that we have our final package, we went from not having an order to getting an order to packing it to making sure it's been quality controlled or quality checked, to getting a label on it and inputting all that information to the computer. So now we just have to set it aside for our pickups at night. So then once we have a decent pile built up back there, every day around 5 o'clock, UPS shows up, we hand off all of our packages to UPS, and then the rest is history. It all gets to you guys, and you guys will complete your builds. And that's pretty much it. That is a behind the scenes look of an order coming in and arriving at your front door and all the stuff that goes on in between. So I hope you guys found that interesting. If you have any other questions or any questions about our process or our business or anything like that, please drop them in the comments section below. And please hit that subscribe button for weekly tutorials and electric skateboard videos and stuff like that. Thank you guys so much for watching again, and I will see you in the next one.